Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your black and white photos into a beautiful full color image. It's completely free and super easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. It's quick and free. Once it's installed, just log in into your account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan with a weekly credits. Plus, you can even generate AI avatars for free. Next, just head to the AI filters, this one. And then on the trending sections, find Colorize filter, this one. Just tap on it. This is a tool that will bring black and white photos back to life. Then just upload the black and white photo that you want to restore. It can be an old family pictures or a vintage shot or any grayscale image that you love. Once you're done, just tap animate and wait for the process. Oh wow! The Dreamface just instantly transforms your photo into a stunning photo like this. It's transformed into a beautiful photo with a good color like this. And when you're happy with the result, just download it and you can share it with the friends or family or just post it on your social media. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can give your old photo a brand new life. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can give your old photos or your black and white photos into a brand new life. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.